You could use the money that you receive with the unsecured business lines of credit for anything that's business related. So you can use it to beef up staffing, purchase equipment. I have a lot of people right now in this economy are able to get better deals on equipment through auction houses, which they do need cash for, working capital, credit card, business line, that type of thing. We see a lot of people acquiring new companies with our program. So definitely you can purchase a business. Anything you need to do for your business, you can use the money for. And that's the beauty of this program is you can make the choice of what you want to spend your money on. The lender, we're not going to tell you what to do with that money. So anything business related, in fact, purchasing a new business is certainly one area that we've done a lot of these programs for.